Just getting into smart home and not sure where to start? In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best smart home devices for beginners in 2026, what they do, why they're worth it, and which ones work with both Google Home and Home Assistant. Number 1, a smart speaker, the Google Nest Mini or Amazon Echo Dot. These are your entry point into smart home. Voice control for everything in your house. They're cheap, usually under $30, and instantly make your home feel smart. If you're in the Google ecosystem, go Nest Mini. If you use Alexa, go Echo Dot. Either way, start here. Number 2, smart lights. Philips Hue is the gold standard. Reliable, works with everything, and the color options are incredible. If you're on a budget, IKEA Trad-Fry bulbs are 1/3 of the price and work just as well for basics. Smart lights are the biggest visual upgrade you can make to a room, and they automate beautifully. Number 3, a smart plug. This is the most underrated beginner device. Plug anything in, a lamp, a fan, a coffee machine, and it becomes smart instantly. No wiring, no electrician. Brands like TP-Link, Casa, or Meros are under $15 and work with Google Home, Alexa, and Home Assistant straight out of the box. Number 4, a smart thermostat, the Google Nest thermostat or Ecobee. This is the device that actually saves you money. Most people see a 10 to 15% reduction in their energy bill. It learns your schedule, adjusts automatically, and you can control it from anywhere. It pays for itself within a few months. Number 5, a smart security camera. Ring doorbell or Arlo for outdoors, Wise or Eufy for indoors. You get real-time alerts, two-way audio, and recorded footage, all from your phone. If privacy matters to you, Eufy stores footage locally with no subscription required. Pair it with Home Assistant for full local control. Those are the 5 devices I'd recommend to anyone starting their smart home journey. Start with a smart speaker and a smart plug. You'll be up and running in minutes. Then build from there. Links to everything mentioned are in the description below. Subscribe for daily smart home and automation content.